Look at my Phantom wallet. $6 million all made from launching meme coins. No charts, no guessing, just a strategy that works. Stay locked in and I'll show you exactly how it's done. When I first started making money with crypto, I bought into every new trending coin, thinking I was fucking early and thinking I would become rich, but the complete opposite happened. Guess what? I became exit liquidity for someone else, and that's the worst thing that could happen on every single coin. Now the truth is that 99% of these coins are going to end up like this, and that's exactly when I started launching coins, and that's exactly when I started making money. Because when you launch your own coins, bro, you will become profitable. You can just launch for free and then dump for profits over and over again and flip potentially $0 into I don't know how much, but into profits, and you can just do it over and over again. Now, by creating your own coins, you control the supply, you control the price and the story, all of it. And with Solana pumping and Bitcoin pumping, now it's the best time to start moving. You guys need to start learning how to dev. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to ungatekeep everything. And by the way, this whole video was made for educational purposes only. Shh! It's all fake and it's all AI generated. Cap! Now, how do you even dev a meme coin? Well, most people go to Pump.Fun, but nowadays, bro, Pump.Fun is overflooded. Thousands of coins are launching every single day, and they vanish in minutes. You have literally no chance to make money on Pump.Fun because it's too crowded, there's too many coins, and if your narrative isn't good enough, you won't make any money. So that's exactly why I completely switched to create tokens.io now. It's my fucking holy grail, because all your coin launches directly to Raydium and they get immediately migrated on to the Raydium DEX, which means it goes live right away. That means more buyers, more control, and more visibility for your coin, which will convert into potential investors. So bro, if you cannot make like a couple $100 a coin, I don't know what you're doing wrong, but yeah, it's the platform. This platform, bro, is actually a cheat code. Now here's the process on create tokens.io. You have two different ways to launch your meme coin, and you just have to pick one. The first method is to build a coin from scratch. So go on X and choose your meme. Let me see if we could find something like this right here. It could be a good meme. Basically he fucking raged and he destroyed everything. What else? Like, there's a bunch of like NFT projects. I mean, I don't know, this, you know, usually Elon Musk tweets do really well, but it's up to you to choose. Let's see if there's more stuff. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty it, okay? You can also go on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, it's up to you. But yeah, once you have a good narrative, come back to the platform, add a symbol, add a name, create a symbol, add a quick meme coin logo for example, and just like that, your coin is custom created and it will be live onto the Raydium DEX. But the second method, bro, it's personally my favorite one because it's the one that makes the most money and it's the best shortcut. And that's by copying trending coins all day. Now all of these coins right here are already hot on Pump.Fun, and you as a dev, all you have to do is just copy one from this list and it will launch directly to Raydium. And since they already have buyers lined up, you'll get immediate traction and bigger flips from the start. Copying coins is a fucking glitch, you guys will see. Alright, let's bring this coin to life. I'm going to launch a coin right now and you will see exactly how fast this process really moves. So first of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet to the website to transact with the coins and to cash out the money, and then click on the refresh list button to have all your new coins. Now let's look for a coin to copy. I think I'm going to copy the Polykado coin. It has a last buy 15 seconds ago, not too shabby, a $30,000 market cap and 26 replies. So click on create coin to actually copy it. Oh my god. And then ignore the block from Phantom, click on continue, I understand, continue, and then it should be created in a couple of seconds. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is what connects everything. We're adding liquidity into your coin so your token can be bought, sold, and tracked live on Raydium within seconds. Now there's two simple steps. Token A. Tap the 90% button on the right hand side. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens right under 40 token B. Think of it as your first stake in your own creation. You are not losing that SOL, it's just locked in to kickstart the market. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, every single bit of that SOL will come straight back to you, back inside your Phantom wallet. This is exactly why we have nothing to lose. You are the creator. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, which is just a bit more than the minimum just to be safe. Make sure you have enough in your wallet, then click on create pool. Once again, you are not losing anything, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on the refresh button. And if you scroll down, boom, the Polygallo coin is on live. There's 900 million coins and $0 in PNL. Now, if you click on the refresh button right here, you guys can see your all-time profits real time. Now, click on view on Photon if you want to see a chart on Photon, or you can go on Axiom by copy-pasting the address. It's up to you. I'm going to go on Photon. Let me go on full screen right after. It should load in because we're late. Come on, it has to load. Let's go. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? We're getting so many buys in. What the fuck is happening? Okay, let's dump the coin right now. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys, you guys are seeing it live on camera. We are printing generational wealth live on camera in real time. 1.4k market cap, 1k liquidity. Oh my god, transactions are coming in left and right. 50 bucks, 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Oh my god, bro, what is happening, bro? Guys, this is why you have to be deving, bro, because once your coin is launched, it will be viewed to tens and thousands of people, and if you copy a narrative on create tokens.io, you're basically creating a proven coin that's going to go viral. So you're just getting organic buys left and right. It's actually fucking insane. Copying coins is a cheat code, bro. Let's go. It's okay, bro. It's actually insane. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump, and I'm gonna be right back when the time is right. So enjoy the show for 5 seconds. Okay guys, I am back. We are pushing $4,000 in market caps, 1.7k in liquidity, and it's gonna go, it's bouncing back right now. The volume looks good, transactions are high, we're getting transactions every single second. We just printed like $100 right here. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io real quick right now, and then make sure you click on refresh first of all. And as you guys can see, we are now up $2,000 USD on this coin, which is like 9.5 SOL. Now click on the minus button, do 100% if you want, or you can do less. But I personally just do 100% to like take out all the money, and then click on the red button. And as you guys can see, we're gonna receive like 9 SOL. Click on confirm, and boom! That's exactly how step by step you make, you know, some bread, right, from launching meme coins on create tokens.io. This website is genuinely a cheat code, and by the way, bro, I am not sponsored by them, okay? I actually use them to make money, okay? I am not affiliated at all with them, okay? And yeah, bro, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys will see, boom, $2,000 straight inside my Phantom wallet. It's legit. Look, I can refresh everything. Tap in.